Do you know what are the 3 harmless questions that will make him love you? Hey there, what makes you stand out from all other women when it comes to getting a man's attention and love? If you ask these 3 questions, you're going to see a pretty amazing turnaround and guarantee you get his fullest attention and romantic desire. Click the link below to find out what are they. My guy friend, Slade Shah, shared this jewel of wisdom with me, and I was amazed at how well it works. Once you ask these innocent questions, it's going to push you to the front and center of any man's mind, cast aside his game-playing and aversion to commitment, and turn him into a romantic puppy dog, begging for your love and wanting you to be all his. No matter how disconnected or unromantic he is. No matter if he tells you he's not looking for anything serious. And no matter how long he has been with you. These 3 questions are going to unlock his wildest desire for you. It all begins with 3 harmless questions that you can find out about here. Click the link below to find out. Best of luck from your friend.